I got this pocket knife sent to me for free for the purpose of this review. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box and check it out. It's black. It's got like a shiny matte black to it. Even though it's matte black, it's got shine to it, as you can see reflecting in the camera. It's got a clip on this side. It's got the quick tabs right here on the blade itself, and it's got the quick open tab right here, which is basically what I'm always using. I usually always use the quick deploy tab on the side here to open the blade. And this is the type of blade that locks right here. So you need to use your thumb to push that over when you go to put the blade back up. So it's got a little bit of assist when you're using the deployment tab. It's got a nice blade on it. It's very sharp. Again, it's got the two little tabs on the blade here. It's got a little grip section right here on the back of the blade. And it's got the thumb, what I call the thumb tab at least. So when you're pushing it closed and you use the top of your finger, that's why it's probably got this here, then you can pull it back with your thumb after it's closed. But overall, it looks like a pretty hardy knife. Only time will tell on how well it stays sharp, but let's go ahead and test this thing out on some things. I'm going to carry this for a few days just to see how well it does as my daily carry, and I'll report back on the second part of this video. So a few of the things that a daily carry knife of mine will do is things like this. Opening up these plastic binders. It'd be cutting box plastic open. So this knife cuts through foam, no problem. You need to just cut through. Very simple. I would also cut things like cardboard. So yeah, overall, it's a pretty decent knife. All right, so I've had some time to use this. I've carried it as my main carry knife, and it's been a pretty good knife. It's definitely done what I've needed it to do. Still opens up nice and easy. Still got a nice sharp edge on it, and it's a little dirty, but it's taken all the beatings that I've given it. I would say for an everyday knife, it's pretty good. All right, so I hope this review was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.